The challenges are real, but so are the opportunities.
Supply chain instability. Unpredictable lead times and material shortages continue to disrupt production schedules. Plants need stronger supplier relationships and better forecasting tools to stay ahead.
Rising costs and margin pressure, inflation, energy costs, and raw material volatility are squeezing profitability. Leaders must focus on waste reduction, process discipline, and smarter planning.
Technology gap automation, AI, and digital tools are advancing fast, but adoption is uneven. Plants that modernize gain agility. Those that don't fall behind.
Skilled labor shortage. The challenge. Manufacturers are facing a critical gap in skilled trades, from machinists and welders to maintenance techs and quality inspectors. Retirements are accelerating, and younger workers aren't entering the field fast enough.
The impact. Slower production cycles. Increased downtime. Higher training costs. Risk to quality and safety standards.
The solution. Invest in workforce development. Apprenticeships and mentorships. Cross-training and upskilling. Stronger onboarding and retention strategies. Skilled people are the backbone of operational excellence.
Capacity constraints and AI solutions. The challenge. Manufacturing plants are hitting limits, not just in equipment, but in scheduling, labor, and throughput. Unplanned downtime, bottlenecks, and inefficient resource allocation are costing time and revenue.
The opportunity. AI-powered tools can help plants predict and prevent downtime, optimize production schedules, balance workloads across shifts and assets, simulate demand scenarios before committing resources. Smart capacity planning isn't optional, it's the new standard.
Modern plants win by combining resilience, skilled people, and disciplined processes with AI-driven production planning that brings every major obstacle under one umbrella.
AI helps leaders build stronger, smarter, and more adaptive plans, mitigating material delivery delays, labor shortages, rising material and energy costs, capacity constraints, worker safety risks, poor demand forecasting, environmental impact pressures, cybersecurity vulnerabilities. This is the new standard of operational excellence, and the future of manufacturing leadership. Thank you for joining Plant Management Academy. Stay focused, stay innovative, and keep building stronger operations every day.